Good morning, respected members, and hello, dear students. Hi, this is CA Pratik. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, GST and Customs Act Fun Learning. Today's topic is about one huge update in GST return of November 2020. Okay, there is some auto population from somewhere. I will explain everything. Okay, but again, I have divided this into three parts. First part, I'm going to explain you again Form GSTR 2B. Then second part will cover the application of Rule 36 sub Rule 4. And then finally, we will discuss what is the update in Form GSTR 3B of November 2020. Okay, so step 1, the point 1 is what? Form GSTR 2B for the recipient of goods and services. Suppose I am the supplier and Mr. Anil sir is the buyer or the recipient. I am either selling goods to him or services to him. Okay, now as a supplier, every supplier has to file one return known as GSTR1. Whatever outward supply details are there, I need to file by 10th of the subsequent month. And through my supplier's GSTR1, this invoice details, ITC details shall be auto-populated in the recipient's form GSTR2B. Okay, and through this GSTR2B, recipient can view and download all his ITC details through form GSTR2B. Okay, so suppose I am the supplier named Jigna Petroleum and this is the recipient. I have sold goods to him of say some amount. Now this has the invoice details. You can see all the details of the tax invoice. Now as a supplier, Jigna Petrochem will file which return? GSTR1. See this. I will show you the demo. Now, suppose I am Jigna Petrochem. I open my GSTR1. I will write the entire invoice details. This is the name of the party to whom I have sold the goods. This is the invoice number. Then what is the date? Date was some 15 July. That I have written. And the total invoice value, including GST. It was say 4,93,000. And what was the taxable value against 18%, whatever the applicable rate, I am writing the taxable value. So I have given the entire invoice details in my GSTR1, supplier's GSTR1. You can see it. Now, through supplier's GSTR1, this ITT details are going to be auto-populated in that buyer MK Enterprise GSTR2B. So now that recipient, that buyer will open his GSTR2B and there he will verify this details. See this. Now, this is buyer's recipients. He will open his July month's GSTR2B. See this. And he will be able to view the same invoice, auto-populated this. This is just GSTR2B. He will open this. This is the detail. You can see Jigna Petrochem. You see the entire invoice details shall be same invoice number. You can verify it. Same invoice date, 15 July, 15 July. Same amount invoice value, 4,93,000. All the details shall be auto-populated in recipient's GSTR 2B, which you can view or you can download it. Okay, so this is the point number 1, GSTR 2B. Now, let me explain you point number 2. Rule 36 sub Rule 4 of CGST Rules 2017. What is this rule? See, now suppose for the month of November 20, Anil sir was the buyer or recipient. Okay, he had purchased goods from this Mr. A of 1 lakh plus 12% GST. Now this Mr. A correctly filed GSTR1. So through Mr. A's GSTR1, this ITC details got auto-populated in recipients 2B. Anil sir can see the input tax credit of 12,000. Very good. Similarly, Anil sir availed services. He took some services of 3 lakh plus 18% GST from Mr. B. Mr. B also filed GSTR1 correctly. Hence, this 54,000 details got auto-populated in recipients 2B. Anil sir can verify this 54,000 ITC. But Mr. Anil sir availed services from Mr. C 5 lakh plus 18% GST. This Mr. C did not file GSTR1. So this 90,000 ITC never got auto-populated in GSTR2B. So Mr. Anil sir cannot see this ITC in his GSTR2B. Agreed? Similarly, he availed services from Mr. D, say 2 lakh, plus 12% GST. Mr. D filed GSTR1, but he wrote incorrect GST number. Instead of Mr. Anil sir, he wrote someone else GST number. So again, this 24,000 ITC never ever got auto-populated in Form GSTR2B of the recipient. This is also not auto-populated. So if you carefully observe, what was the ITC detail as per purchase register? ITC detail, if you add, actual eligible ITC was 1 lakh 80. But how much got auto-populated in GSTR 2B? Only 66,000 because of those supplier sellers mistake. So this is the ITC problem. Now see, what Rule 36 sub Rule 4 say? As per purchase register, actual ITC was how much? 1 lakh 80,000. How much got auto-populated in GSTR 2B because of supplier's mistake? Only 66,000. Now, when the recipient want to avail ITC in GSTR 3B, how much input tax credit can he avail when he files GSTR 3B return of November 20? See, as per Rule 36 sub Rule 4, recipient can avail maximum eligible ITC. You know how much? Whatever ITC is auto-populated in Form GSTR 2B in 210%, only 10% more. Whatever ITC details are auto-populated in GSTR 2B plus 10% or into 110%. So how much is auto-populated? 66,000. Whatever is actual 1 lakh 80, forget it. How much is there in GSTR 2B? Only 66,000 plus 10% or into 110%. Maximum only 72,600 he can avail in his GSTR 3B of November 20. So the difference of 1 lakh 80 minus 72,600 he cannot avail in November. He will avail in subsequent month when it will be auto-populated in his GSTR 2B. So this is dangerous Rule 36 sub Rule 4. Okay, so recipient, all the buyers are now left at the mercy of the suppliers. If the supplier filed GSTR1 correctly, then through supplier's GSTR1, all the details will be auto-populated in recipient's GSTR2. So unless supplier files GSTR1 and the details are auto-populated in recipient 2B, recipient cannot avail ITC. Only difference of 10% they can avail. That's it. That's it. Okay, so this was point number 2, Rule 36 sub Rule 4. Now comes the true update, which I was supposed to discuss. What is the update in GSTR 3B of November 20? I will explain you through 3 case study. Case study 1. See, what was the scenario? This is a recipient, say private limited company. Its actual eligible ITC as per purchase register was how much? CGST was 1 lakh 38 and SGST was 1 lakh 38. This was as per purchase register. Now he is verifying it is GSTR 2B. See this. He is verifying November month's GSTR 2B. ये तो सिर्फ actual था. Now he is verifying his GSTR 2B. How much is there in November's GSTR 2B? So when you open, great, it is same. 1 lakh 38,455. So actual was also 138,455. Auto-populated in GSTR 2B is also same. 1 lakh 38,455. Okay, so what happened? All his suppliers have correctly uploaded the details. So for November 20, ITC as per GSTR 2B is also same. CGST 1 lakh 38, SGST 1 lakh 30. So very good. He is very happy that whatever ITC as per his purchase register for November is equal to the ITC which got auto-populated in his GSTR 2B. Okay, now he wants to file GSTR 3B return for November. He goes to again GST portal and he goes to file GSTR 3B of November. Now his filing is in GST return. So he will open his GST return of November 20. Let me show you the real update here. He goes to GSTR 3B. He opens the tab of eligible ITC first time. First time is open. You see the details are auto-populated. All other ITC details he has not filled. It is auto-populated. Now, where did it come from? It came from GSTR 2B. See this GSTR 3B. These details have come from Form GSTR 2B. You did not fill it. The details are getting auto-populated. So what is the update here? What is the update here? Whatever ITC details are there in recipients 2B are now getting auto-populated in recipient GSTR 3B. You did not do anything. All the details are getting auto-populated. This is the biggest update. Okay, got it? This was simple. Case study 1. Now I will explain you case study 2. This was the matching, so no issue. But now let me explain you case study 2. Clear? See this. Limited liability partnership. This is the recipient. For November 20, its eligible ITC was how much, you know? IGST 2500, CGST 11,000, SGST 11,000. This was as per purchase register. So now he is also verifying what is GSTR 2B for November 20. कि यार same match हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. So now he is matching. There is a difference. There is a difference. How much was this actual ITC? IGST 2500, CGST 11 and SGST 11. However, in 2B, it is only less. There is a difference. ITC as per 2B is less as compared to the eligible ITC as per purchase register. You got it? What was there in 2B? IGST was only 2428. CGST was 10,560 and SGST was also 10,560. Some of the suppliers, they did not file GSTR1. Hence ITC is less. So he is worried. This LLP is worried that ITC as per purchase register is not equal to the ITC which got auto-populated in GSTR2B. So now what to do? See this. As per Rule 36 sub Rule 4, just now I explained you, how much ITC recipient can avail? Whatever is auto-populated in 2B plus 10% or into 110%. Am I right? So how much is auto-populated in 2B? Say this is your auto-populated in 2B. IGCGST into 110%. So this is IGST maximum you can avail 2670. SGST, CGST maximum you can avail 11625. This is the maximum you can avail. Maximum. But how much is actual as per your purchase register? This is your actual 2500, 11, 10. So the good news is what? Whatever difference is there, it is within 10% or I will say within 110% of the ITC as per GSTR 2B. जो भी आपका 2B में है plus 10% allowed है तो आपका वो 10% के gap में ही है difference. Your difference is within the 10%. So now again this party will open his GSTR 3B. Now this party, this limited company, LLP, will open his GSTR 3B and let us see, can you change the auto-populated figure or not? Let me see. This is auto-populated. 2B से अपने आप auto-populate हुआ. However, my eligible ITC was how much? 11,000 CGSG and IG was 2,500. Can I edit it? Let me see. So now I'm editing it. 11,000, 11,000. It is allowed. It is allowing. See, the details got changed. So जो भी 2B से auto populate हुआ, the difference is within 10%, portal is allowing you to change. Portal is allowing you to change. Okay, but now comes case study 3, which will be a common point in every assessment. सारे tax payer में ऐसा ही होगा. Suppose you have a client which is a partnership firm. For November 20, eligible ITC as per purchase register was say IGST 150, CGST 20 lakhs, SGST 20 lakh. All the section 16 condition are satisfied. It is also verifying is GSTR 2B. वो भी check कर रहा है whether all correct details are auto-populated or not. So when it is opening, you see this. IGST is only 121. How much was total? How much was total? 150 and only got auto-populated 120. CGST 20 lakh. How much got auto-populated? Only 17 lakh. Many suppliers did not file GSTR1. So what happened in this case? His GSTR2B for November 20 will be IGST 125, CGST 17 lakh and SGST 17 lakh. Oh my God, again there is a difference. Difference, ITC as per purchase register again is not equal to the ITC details auto-populated in 2B. So what is the solution? Again, let us check Rule 36 sub Rule 4. Let us apply. How much recipient can avail? जो भी IT से auto-populate होता है in 2B plus 10% or you can say into 110%. So how much ITC is there in your 2B? This is your ITC in your 2B into 110%. How much maximum you can avail? IGST 1 lakh 33. CGST and SGST 18 lakh 73. This is the maximum you can avail as per rule 36. But how much is your ITC as per purchase register? See this, 1 lakh 50, 20 and 20. So this time the difference of purchase and 2B is greater than 110% or greater than 10%. Can you edit in your GSTR 3B more than 10%? Now this guy is trying. This company or firm is trying. It is also opening its November month GSTR 3B. See this. It want to avail ITC. It opened its GSTR 3B. See this. Now ITC was eligible was 150 and auto-populated was only 121. It wants to change. See the see this. It's coming in red color. 17 it changed to 20 lakh. What it is returned? The difference is greater than 10% than auto-populated data. 2B से जो भी generate हुआ, you have to ensure it is not more than 10%. Portal will not allow. Even if you confirm it, even if you save it, it will show it in red color. You can see this entire table is in red color. Okay, so portal is saying if your ITC as per 2B difference is greater than 10%, it will not allow. So this was the big update in GSTR 3B of November 20. Okay, so many SSCs are going to face this problem. ठीक है, आपके सारे clients जिन्होंने भी GSTR 2B they were not referring earlier, now they will have to refer. Clear? You got the point here? So this is a cruel law. Suppliers की mistake की वजह से हमें ITC नहीं मिलेगा. It shouldn't be. It should have come from 1st Jan, but it is there from November month's GSTR 3B. So आपके वर्किंग कैपिटल में बहुत ही इफेक्ट आएगा. प्लीज बी केयरफुल विद इट. प्लीज आस्क ऑल द सप्लायर टू अपलोड टाइमली एंड देन ओनली यू कैन टेक द ITC. Okay, just one important announcement. Who students who are pursuing chartered accountant, cost accountant, company secretary course, whether inter or final, I am introducing pen drive lecture from 1st Jan. All the lectures of mine will be recorded here. And there will be detailed case study. There will be KBC game, which I will play with all of you. E-recorded lectures. And all the case study, advanced ruling, anti-profit, everything I'm going to cover. And I will also share the notes in PDF with you. Okay, and not only with the students, this course is specially designed for the office employees or who are doing job in accounts or taxation, and the professionals. They also need for them also this e-recording lectures are there. Okay, now what are the topics that will be there? What are the videos you will be able? All the introduction, supply, value, time, then input tax credit, registration, reverse charge, all those will be covered. Advanced topic like advanced ruling, anti-profit assessment, practical GST return filing, e-way bills, and case studies, specific case sectors, cooperative housing society, education sector, and then will be case study exam. Okay, for students, there will be recorded lectures of past paper exams and additional live lectures. If you want, you also have already shared number with you. You can see it. Okay, so if you are a student of inter, this pen drive will be only for 2799. If you're a student of final, the price is 2999. And if you're working professional, there will be many advanced lectures for you. Hence, the price is 3499. You can WhatsApp me on this number or call, and this is my email ID. You can email. I'm going to introduce from 1st of Jan. Okay, so thank you so much, each and everyone. If you need any other update, you can call or SMS to me. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.